Transform your everyday snaps into stunning masterpieces with Banana Nano Ai, the easy-to-use tool for professional quality photo enhancements. Let's dive right in. First, we'll explore Banana Nano Ai's automatic retouching. Simply upload your photo and watch as the AI intelligently analyzes and corrects common imperfections. Notice how it subtly smooths skin texture, removes blemishes, and brightens eyes, all without overdoing it. The result: a naturally enhanced portrait that looks incredibly lifelike. But Banana Nano AI isn't just about fixing. It's about creativity too. Let's explore style transfer. Select your desired artistic style, perhaps Van Gogh or a modern watercolor effect. Instantly, your photo adopts a new artistic flair, giving it a unique and captivating look. Feeling adventurous? Dive into our creative effects. From subtle color grading to dramatic artistic filters, you can truly personalize your images. See how this vintage film effect adds depth and character. Banana Nano Ai puts a world of creative possibilities at your fingertips. As you can see, whether you're touching up a portrait, experimenting with art styles, or adding a creative twist, Banana Nano Ai makes achieving professional quality results incredibly simple and intuitive. Start creating your best photos today with Banana Nano Ai.